98.4% natural, dermatologically Hi guys, welcome back to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel. I'm Mimi. And I'm Kira. Remember to subscribe to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel and turn the bell notification on to be notified for any of their videos. And let's get into the video. So we're actually going to be doing sort of like a nighttime routine, like how we get ready for bed, because all these products are like skincare and just products to look after your skin. So we'll explain about all the products and show you how we use them. But this is actually the L'Oreal Paris hand sanitizer. I didn't realise L'Oreal done hand sanitizer. No, I thought they only done... Oh no, they do skincare stuff as well. Oh, do they? Yeah, for a second I thought they only done makeup products, but they do skincare, so this makes sense. We'll actually try this now because I want to see whether it's got a strong smell or not, and we might as well use this before we use all the other products so we have clean like that. Hands. Why do I like that smell? Yeah, it's just because it smells really clean. It really reminds me of like holiday, that smell. Yeah, actually. Oh my god. I'm being serious. I always put too much hand sanitizer on my hand. That smells nice. It smells nice and clean. Yeah. So that is our hands clean, ready for our skincare. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be using is the peeling mask. We're going to do this before the rest of the products because obviously it is a peeling mask and it will peel all of our impurities out, and we don't want to use the other products first before using this. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, ready to smell it? Ooh. Oh, it has an unusual smell, isn't it? That's not what I expected it to smell like. It doesn't smell bad, but it's just like an unusual smell. This is what it looks like. I'm confused now. Oh yeah. So it says use between 5 to 10 minutes and moisturise after. Oh, and it says don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. So let's not panic when our skin goes bright red, if it does. Right, are you ready? How do you know where you're putting it? That feels really nice. That does. I reckon our skin's going to be so like shiny after this. Yeah. Well, it is stinging a bit, but I think it's meant to, because most masks obviously sting a little bit, so you know that it's actually doing something. As you can see, like you can see the sheen on my face. Wow, it feels so nice, look. Wish my skin was naturally this glowy. Let's wait 4 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay. And I've been for a 10-minute sunbed! Or an hour! Okay guys, so our face have gone a bit red, but it does say... I think I'm the same colour as my top. It does say to not be warned if your face is going red, because that just shows that it's actually like doing something, it's actually working. Yeah. So we're just going to go wash this off now. We just wanted to show you that it does go red, so if you do get this box and you do put it on, it goes red, don't be scared. Go wash this off now. Okay, so we have read more into it, and your face is meant to look this red after because it is a peeling solution. So I think it just brings like the blood to the surface of your skin. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use is the Silicone exfoliating pad. We're just going to put warm water on it and then scrub away on our faces. So we've just wet our faces and the exfoliating pad, and we're just going to use a cleanser and exfoliate our skin using the pad. So I'm just going to take like a pea-sized amount of the cleanser and rub it into my skin, and then just use this to massage the cleanser in and obviously exfoliate my skin. Whoa, that feels really nice, doesn't it? Oh my god, yeah, that does. We're going to go and wash the cleanser off our face now, and then we'll come back and use the next product. My face feels so smooth. Honestly, I don't think my face ever felt this smooth before. My face feels so good. That? Where? It feels like a baby's bottom. Whoa. Like it's that smooth. I'm actually so impressed with that. Yeah, the next product we're going to use is the 24-hour double hydration cream gel. So I think it's basically like a moisturiser for your face and neck. It does say applied to face and neck morning and evening after serum. We'll just use it now and just see what it's like. I hope this is like really moisturising. Yeah. Like quite thick, it smells like. Oh, that smells really... Doesn't
nice. Smell it. No, look.
Oh my god, that does. That is
Right.
really nice.
Let's put this on our face. I'm going to apply quite a lot.
That feels really nice and cool on my face.
The pooling solution said to apply a moisturiser after.
I also heard that if you moisturise your neck, when you're older you won't get as many
yeah.
wrinkles. So now I always moisturise my neck because I really don't want my neck to go really wrinkly when I'm older. I really want to have like a young looking neck when I'm like 80.
Yeah, I think your neck ages the most.
Yeah, and your hands.
That's how you can like tell someone's like old.
Yeah. Okay, so the next product we're going to use is the Kiwi Superfoods Cooling Eye Serum, which I'm so excited to smell. I'm really hoping it smells of kiwis because I haven't had a kiwi in ages thinking about it.
Yeah,
I really fancy one.
I've never seen it in stock.
No, that's weird. But yeah, let's get this out and see.
It says on the box, I promise to you, kiwi fruit oil helps to maintain moisture in the skin. Grapefruit essential oil, high levels of vitamin C, aids in reducing appearance of skin imperfections and appearance of oily skin. I've got really oily, and you've been getting oily skin.
I have, yeah, like round here.
And then
really oily.
it also helps to reduce appearance of wrinkles. Massage it into my.
Well,
we really need to start looking after our under eyes.
I know.
It's actually a good thing to start using.
This is why these boxes are so good, because if you're not very like clued up on skincare, then obviously these boxes are so good because they like put all these little things in that we wouldn't have bought just ourselves.
No.
I think this is really good.
Next we're going to be using the hand cream. Obviously we've used all the products on our face. We need to look after our hands as well. So yeah, let's take our rings off and let's see what it smells like.
That smells nice.
Does it?
Oh, what does that smell like? Like peppermint.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. No, lavender.
Oh, is it lavender?
Isn't lavender meant to help
I
with
like that
stress?
smell.
Look,
Yeah, it is.
stress check, kind hands.
Oh, it's lavender.
Oh, that's really like
I
relaxing.
like it, yeah. That feels so nice. I never put hand cream on as
No.
well. My
But
hands are always dry.
Yeah, and I hate
having
the feeling
hands.
of dry hands.
Yeah.
Oh, I really want a hand massage.
And a feet massage.
Can you just give me a hand massage?
I haven't had a foot massage.
Did you feel that bone?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna close my eyes. We're sadly getting to the end of the video, as this is our last product that we're going to be trying. So we are going to be trying the lip balm. Obviously, we don't need to read instructions on what you do with a lip balm. You ready to smell it? 3, 2, 1.
I can smell this now.
I smell the...
Let's try it.
Oh, you can't smell it up close. It's that minty.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's cucumber.
Yeah. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, I can.
Oh, it's the
tastes
mint.
nice.
It's the mint coming through.
I really needed a new lip balm as well.
Yeah.
That feels really nice on your
Literally,
lips.
everything in the box has looked after our neck, our face, our eyes, our mouths, and our hands.
I just feel like a new woman.
We actually never look after our skin this much.
No, I feel so new and fresh.
Yeah, I feel like I've just come out the womb.
Yeah, same. That is the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember to subscribe to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel and turn the bell notification on. Remember to give this video a massive thumbs up.
But yeah, hopefully we see you in another one of Look Fantastic's videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Mwah.